Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Halara haul. It had been a while since I did one of these, and full transparency on the backstory. So I usually work with Halara every month, but I actually lost the footage a couple months ago before I moved. And so I wanted to go in and place an order for myself. So all of this is stuff that I paid for with my own money. I do have a discount code, so I will go ahead and leave that down below so you can save yourself some money. Thank you to Halara for giving me that code, but I do want to stress that this is an order that I placed myself. So I picked some things that were a little out of my comfort zone, things that I wouldn't normally choose, but I wanted to go ahead and try them out. I decided to pick some things from various aspects of what Halara offers. Since Halara has so much to offer in terms of their styles, they have everything from intense high activity workouts to chill lounge around the house to clothes that you can wear for fancy occasions. So I wanted to pick a little bit of a variety of everything that they have so you can see what they have to offer, just get a little taste of it. Let's go ahead and talk through all of these products. I will have everything linked and listed down below with my sizing information so that you can go ahead and check stuff out there. They do also have a deal going where you get a free gift when you spend over a certain amount of money. So this time I got this incredible tote bag. This is such a nice size tote bag. So it has Halara, and then it actually has Halara on the inside too, which kind of confused me, but I think it's because it could be reversible, because this is a pocket on the inside. So you can either have that pocket be on the inside or on the outside, but this is a huge bag. It's super, super sturdy canvas. It's very well reinforced on the bottom, so this is not gonna fall apart. So I'm actually really, really excited. This is gonna be like my go-to thrifting bag. Hyped. I also got a scrunchie, and it is a super, super soft material. So this is really, really nice for hair. It's not gonna pull or rip anything out. So always nice to have an extra scrunchie, and I love a free gift. So let's go through all these things. Let's start with what I'm wearing right now. This is the round neck, short sleeve, mini casual t-shirt dress, and this is such a good t-shirt dress. I have had one that I have loved for so long, but it shrunk in the dryer, and now I've been on a hunt. I got one from Old Navy. I tried one, I think, from Abercrombie, and maybe just an Amazon one, and I didn't really love any of them, but this one is like all the things that I like about a t-shirt dress. The neckline isn't too high or too low, so it doesn't feel like it's choking me, but it also stays very casual. I like that the sleeves are cuffed, but not too, they're not rolled, they're just perfectly folded. They do have pockets as well, which I appreciate. It makes me feel like it bulks me up around the hips just a little bit more than I think I would like. But as I was looking back at the footage of me in it, I think it looks really good because it still gives me a little bit of shape without just making me feel like I'm wearing a box. It's not see-through at all, and it is the perfect length. So I don't feel like it's too short. I feel like I could wear this and run errands and not have to worry about anything. Love this, super soft, great price. I'm obsessed with it. I also decided to try this jumpsuit, and this is so soft. This is one of the softest things that I've ever gotten from Halara. It is so, so, so cozy, and I think it's super, super flattering. It looks like you have a tank top tucked into pants, but it is actually just one piece, so another one and done, don't have to think about it. I wish that there were pockets in the front. Even as I was filming this little try-on video, I found myself wanting to put my hands in pockets that just were not there. And so I wish that they had that. They do have pockets on the back, but I feel like I would rather have that switched. I don't know. I just feel like it was missing pockets. So other than that, I loved it. It does have an adjustable waistband as well, although I felt like I didn't really need it. I love that the length of this is perfect for wearing with flat shoes, but because of the shape of the pant, you could totally wear this with heels or booties or whatever that has a little bit of a lift, and you'd still be totally fine. So really, really like the length on this. Again, not see-through, so, so, so soft. I cannot stress how soft it is. The only other one piece that I got was this jumpsuit, and I was so excited about it, but it just did not look good on me. Like, not even a little bit. I don't know if sizing up would solve the problem. I think it might just not be fit for my body. I tend to have a little bit of a long torso, so I feel like jumpsuits can be kind of hit or miss, and this one was a little bit of a miss. Fortunately, there aren't adjustable straps, and I feel like that would have made a little bit of a difference, but overalls are hard. It's just hard to get it right. They don't fit everyone perfectly, and these just don't fit me, which makes me so sad because they could have been so cute. I'll put up a picture of what it looks like on the model because it looked way, way, way better on her than it did on me. So I think it kind of depends on your body type for this one. I feel like you either need more curves to kind of show everything well, or no curves at all, because I think I'm kind of in the middle, and I feel like it just made me look boxy and also too big for this. I don't know. I like the quality of it. I love their denim. Their faux denim is fantastic. It's super, super stretchy, very cozy, very soft, but this one just didn't fit me right. Speaking of denim, I also got this skirt, and this is definitely something that I loved in college. I wore denim skirts all the time, and ever since I gained a little bit of weight after college, and they've kind of faded out of style. I haven't loved them as much, but they definitely are coming back in, and this is such a good one if you are a denim skirt fan. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep this one or not, just because I don't know how much wear I'll actually get out of it, but I do really, really like it. I like it because it's really soft and very stretchy. Like I said, all their denim is very soft and comfortable. This one is no exception. It's a good length to where I feel like I can sit down and move around without it making me flash people. And I like the wash. I think it's a very nice blend between being dark and light, so you can wear this all year round, which I really, really like. And it does have pockets. The zipper and button are real on this, so that functions totally normally, and I really, really like it. I'm just not sure if it's something that I'm gonna wear a ton of, but let me know what you think down below. I paired this skirt with this top that I was so excited about, but I feel like it's another thing that just didn't fit my body the way that I wanted it to. This is such a nice quality top. The material is so, 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 so soft. Would be perfect for working in an office. It's very lightweight, but super, super nice. It looks way more expensive than it is, and the buttons are real, and you can tie the sleeves. I was kind of struggling to determine how I wanted to tie the sleeves, because when I tied it in a bow, it didn't look quite right. So that's definitely something that I'd have to mess with and try and figure out exactly how to make it look the best. But I do really, really like it, and I do think it comes in another color too, but I love the black. I also got this dress, and this is from their SoftlyZero line that is super, super cozy. I love their active dresses. I think they're so nice, and this one is super, super pretty. It has more of a corset fit, so it has a little bit of ribbing to kind of pull everything in, and it just makes it look very princessy and girly, and I really, really like it. It also comes in a beautiful red that would not flatter my skin tone, but would look so good on the right person. The shape of this is beautiful. I love the neckline. It is also part of their Easy Peezy collection, which makes it so much easier when you're trying to go to the bathroom. You don't have to take the whole thing off, which is so nice. Shorts underneath do have pockets as well. It's just very, very functional, super, super well designed, and I really love how soft it is. So this one is a big win for me. Lastly, I got two pairs of pants, and I paired them with this shirt that I really, 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 really like. I think this is so flattering and so versatile. Not only is it incredibly soft and breathable, I love how this fits. You can do so much with this. You can dress this up, you can dress this down. It's a really cool, unique piece to have in your wardrobe that is so pretty, and I love this green color. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Moving into the fall, oh my goodness, so, so, so pretty. So love this. I wouldn't pair it with these green sweatpants, but I also love these sweatpants. They're so cozy and so soft, and they're the perfect amount of baggy without being too thick and heavy and unflattering. The green is so bright and pretty, and I love how it fits. They are the perfect length for me. I love that you can kind of pull them up if you wanted them to be a little bit extra baggy, but they are just so cozy. So love these, great price, great fit, love them. And then last but certainly not least, I got this pair of joggers, sweatpants. I'm not exactly sure what I would call them, but they're very lounge pant-esque. You could totally wear them out of the house, and honestly, I probably will, but they're so cozy. They are a different material than I thought they were gonna be. They're a little bit on the thinner side, but I like them. I feel like these are the kind of pants that I would wear around the house and then actually fall asleep in, which is kind of nice. I usually don't sleep in sweatpants because I just end up getting way too hot. So having something like this that I can wear when I'm a little bit chillier and then still fall asleep, amazing. They are a fold over waistband, kind of. They're like ruched, so there's no zippers or buttons or elastic. It's just one easy pull on, super stretchy and very, very comfortable. I don't feel like there's anything too tight around my ankles or too tight around my waist. They're just super, super soft. So love these. That was everything that I got in my Halara haul. There are lots of really great pieces in here, and I'm super interested to see what your favorites are. Definitely let me know what you think about that skirt, because I am kind of torn, but I have to say my favorites are definitely this t-shirt dress that I'm wearing right now and those green sweatpants. Those are so soft and cozy, and I am so excited to wear them in the fall and winter and probably for the rest of my life. But everything will be linked and listed down below with the color and the size that I got, so you can go ahead and shop for yourself. Again, I do have a code from when I've worked with Halara in the past, so I will put that up here and then also down in the description box, so if you want to shop, you can save yourself some money. They do have a bunch of really good deals and discounts going on right now, so if you want to take advantage of that, now is a really good time. They have tons of stuff on sale. So if you are interested in more Halara videos, let me know down below. I love working with them. I love their clothes. They're honestly such a large part of my wardrobe, and I love sharing new pieces with you. So thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I really appreciate having you here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe. If you do, I will see you in the next one, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!